Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube gallery to your Webflow website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First of all, let's go to Elfsight and choose the YouTube gallery widget in the menu list. The link is in the description. Click Create Widget. So let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your case best. Click Continue with this template. Specify the YouTube channel or video you want to display in your gallery by providing the channel URL. Customize the layout of your YouTube gallery to create an engaging and visually appealing display of your videos. Customize the design of your YouTube gallery, including colors, fonts, and header elements, to create a visually appealing and cohesive look. Configure advanced settings such as language, YouTube API key, AdSense, and privacy enhanced mode to fine-tune your widget's performance and bay. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. This is free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget that you have just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Webflow admin panel. Paste the YouTube Gallery embed code into your Webflow website's admin panel to add it to your website. Now let's add the widget to your Webflow website. Log into your Webflow account and open the editor for your website. Click the plus symbol icon in the Webflow Designer. Drag and drop the embed element to the place where you want the widget to appear. Paste your Elfsight installation code into the embed code editor window, then click Save and Close. When ready, click Publish and select Publish to selected domains to make the changes live. That's it. Your slider is now live on your Webflow website. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.